Welcome to Avatarcrew, the ultimate platform for creating chatbots that can help you automate interactions, generate leads, and even monetize your efforts. Whether you're building a chatbot for customer support, sales, or creative interactions, Avatarcrew has the tools to make it happen. Today, I'll take you through the entire process of creating a chatbot, starting from building a knowledge base to customizing it for your specific needs. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to build, deploy, and manage your own bots successfully. Let's begin with the foundation of any chatbot, the knowledge base. This is where your bot draws its information to answer user questions or provide helpful details. First, we'll create a content folder. This folder is essentially a container for all the information your bot will need. To do this, 1. Go to the Content section and click on Create Content Folder. 2. Rename the folder to something meaningful. Naming your folder clearly helps you stay organized as your bot grows. Once the folder is set up, it's time to add content. Avatarcrew offers multiple ways to build your knowledge base. Manual entry. You can write or copy-paste content directly into the system. Upload documents. Import PDFs or Word documents with your information. Import from a website. If you have content on a web page, you can simply provide the URL and Avatarcrew will extract the text for you. Let's demonstrate the website import option. Imagine you have an FAQ page on your company's website. You would copy the URL, paste it into Avatarcrew, and let the system fetch the text. Then once it's imported, you'll see the content listed in your folder. Once you've added a document to your content folder, you'll have several options to refine and organize it. To start, locate the newly added document in your content folder. From here, you'll notice that you can edit the name of the document. Simply click on the edit icon, enter the desired name, and save your changes. If you'd like to review the content of the document, you can click on the document itself to view its details. This feature allows you to see exactly what was extracted or uploaded, ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the information stored in your knowledge base. For updates or adjustments to the content, click on the Edit button within the document view. This opens the editor, where you can make any necessary additions or modifications to the text. For instance, you might want to refine the wording, add new sections, or remove outdated information. Once you're satisfied with the updates, be sure to save the changes to ensure your chatbot uses the latest version of the knowledge base. It's equally simple to remove a document that is no longer needed. Select the document and click the Delete option. This helps to keep your content folder streamlined and focused on the most relevant materials for your bot's purpose. Let's move on to the next step, creating a bot. Once you've established your knowledge base, it's time to put that information into action by designing a bot tailored to your needs. To begin, navigate to the Bots section in your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be creating and customizing your bot. Start by clicking on New Bot. This will open a configuration panel where you can define key details. The first step is selecting your bot's personality. Think of this as defining the bot's role and tone of voice. For example, if you're setting up a bot for IT support, you might want it to be friendly yet professional, ensuring it aligns with the expectations of your users. Next, give your bot a name. This is more than just a label, it's how your bot will be identified in your system and by your team. Choose a name that reflects the bot's purpose or the function it will perform. Once that's set, you'll need to assign a knowledge base to the bot. This knowledge base contains all the information your bot will draw upon to answer questions or guide users. This folder contains the knowledge sources you've imported or created, such as documents from a website, PDFs, or even manually inputted text. For this demonstration, we'll be working with a folder called Content Demo. Within this knowledge base, you can add a brief description to provide context about its contents. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple bots or content folders, as it ensures clarity for yourself and your team. Once the description is added, you'll move on to selecting the model. Avatarcrew gives you the choice between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, depending on the level of conversational complexity and accuracy you need. After configuring these details, simply click Create. In just moments, Avatarcrew will generate your bot and make it available for customization. Once your bot is created, you'll notice it listed among the other bots in your dashboard. Now it's time to focus on customization. What kind of bot are you envisioning? Avatarcrew offers several options, each tailored to different needs. From simple chatbots to more dynamic tools like product sliders, there's a wealth of possibilities. Each bot comes with a unique shareable link. You can copy this link and paste it into a new browser tab to preview your bot in real time. This feature allows you to see how your bot appears and interacts before making it live for your audience. For instance, in its default state, your bot is a simple chatbot designed for general conversations. However, you can take things further by customizing its appearance, functionality, and behavior. Let's start with the basics of customization. First, you'll choose an avatar for your bot, giving it a personality that aligns with your brand or purpose. From here, you can select a template. Templates provide pre-designed structures to tailor your bot to specific tasks or industries. For example, the default chatbot is ideal for general interactions, while the image slider template is perfect for showcasing and selling products directly through the bot. To explore the image slider, imagine you're setting up a bot to display products for an online store. Begin by entering the image URL of the product you'd like to feature. Next, specify the product's price and give it a clear, descriptive name that customers will recognize. For instance, you could add an image URL for a fitness tracker, set the price at $500, and name it Fitro. You can repeat this process for additional products, adding as many as you'd like. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click Submit. Your bot's functionality will instantly shift from a default chatbot to an engaging product showcase. To confirm the changes, refresh your bot preview, and you'll see the new image slider in action, complete with product names, prices, and a purchase button that directs inquiries straight to you. The possibilities for customization don't end there. You can enhance your bot's capabilities further by embedding it directly onto your website. This allows visitors to interact with the bot seamlessly without navigating away from your page. Moving beyond the image slider, the platform offers a variety of templates to cater to different functionalities. Selecting the right template is key to achieving your objectives. Let's take a closer look at some popular options. 1. Audio conversation. If your goal is to collect user details like email addresses or phone numbers, the audio conversation template is an excellent choice. This template allows you to set up a sequence of sentences or prompts that users respond to. For example, you might ask, "May I have your email address?" or "Can you share your phone number for follow-up?" This approach makes the process feel conversational rather than transactional, increasing user engagement. 2. Chat with image. For a more visually engaging interaction, consider the Chat with Image template. Similar to the audio conversation, this template enables you to guide users through a series of prompts. However, the addition of images enhances the user experience. This feature is perfect for showcasing products, properties, or educational materials in an interactive format. Just like the image template, you can include URLs to embed videos directly into the chat interface. 4. Keyword and response. The keyword and response template is particularly useful for creating an intuitive user experience. This template allows your bot to respond automatically to specific keywords entered by the user. For instance, you can configure your bot to recognize keywords like pricing, support, or features and respond with predefined answers. To set this up, you define the keyword, say, pricing, and then craft a response such as, "Our pricing starts at $50 per month for the basic package and goes up to $200 per month for the premium plan." You can also add multiple keywords and corresponding responses, ensuring your bot is prepared to handle a wide range of queries. This template is especially effective for customer support scenarios, where quick and accurate responses are essential. 5. Appointment booking. For businesses that rely on scheduling, the appointment booking template is a must-have. This template simplifies the process of booking appointments directly through the chatbot. Users can enter their name, email, the start and end dates of the appointment, and any additional comments. Once submitted, the information is logged and easily accessible in your dashboard. Picture this: a client visits your website, interacts with your bot, and books an appointment all without needing to call or email. This seamless process enhances the user experience and improves operational efficiency. Embedding and customizing your bot. Once you've selected the desired template, the next step is embedding the chatbot into your website. Embedding is straightforward, requiring only a simple code snippet. Once added, the chatbot becomes fully operational, offering visitors a dynamic way to interact with your business. However, embedding is just the start. Customizing the chatbot's appearance ensures it aligns with your brand. Begin by adjusting the chat widget's position center, left, or right to complement your website's layout. Next, upload your logo to reinforce your branding. You can also customize the widget's colors, including the background, text, and accent hues, creating a cohesive look that resonates with your audience. Adding a title and subtitle to the chat window provides context, helping users understand the bot's purpose. Fine-tuning the launcher icon. The launcher icon, the button users click to open the chatbot, plays a critical role in attracting attention. Customize its size, position, and design to ensure it stands out while maintaining a polished appearance. For instance, you can choose a larger icon for high visibility or match its colors to your brand for a seamless look. Real-time previews allow you to experiment with different styles until you're satisfied with the final design. Embedding your chatbot on your website is a straightforward process. First, locate the instructions on the platform. These instructions provide you with a snippet of code tailored to your bot. Simply copy this code and paste it into the appropriate section of your website's HTML. Once integrated, your chatbot will be live and ready to interact with visitors. This step is crucial because it transforms your chatbot from a standalone tool into an integral part of your website, making it accessible to all visitors. Whether your goal is to provide customer support, capture leads, or showcase products, embedding the chatbot ensures seamless interaction, chat functionality, and guest engagement. Once your chatbot is live, it's time to explore its conversational capabilities. Navigate to the chat section where you can interact with your bot directly. This interface allows you to 1. Converse with your bot. Engage in real-time conversations to test its responses. For instance, you might ask questions related to the knowledge base it's connected to, ensuring it delivers accurate and relevant answers. 2. Manage guest chats. The Guest tab is where you can see and respond to conversations initiated by website visitors. This feature is ideal for providing live support or answering queries in real time. For example, if a guest asks about product availability or pricing, you can respond instantly, enhancing their experience. 3. Take notes. During chats, you can take notes directly from the conversation. These notes can then be saved as part of a new knowledge base, allowing you to continually expand your bot's understanding and improve future interactions. 4. Clear conversations. If you want to reset the chat interface, you can clear previous conversations with a single click. This keeps the interface organized and ready for the next interaction. And 5. Testing your bot's responses. Let's move on to testing the bot's knowledge. Begin by asking a question that falls outside the scope of its knowledge base. For instance, if you type a query unrelated to its stored information, the bot will notify you that it couldn't find an answer. This is a valuable feature. It ensures the bot doesn't provide incorrect or irrelevant responses. However, when you ask questions aligned with its knowledge base, such as "What is AI?", you'll see a well-informed answer based on the data you've provided. This reinforces the importance of building a comprehensive and accurate knowledge base. Copying and saving notes. During your interaction, you may find certain responses valuable or reusable. These can be copied directly into notes for future reference. For example, if the bot provides an excellent explanation of artificial intelligence, you can save it as a note for use in presentations, FAQs, or training materials. This feature simplifies the process of curating and organizing key insights. Additionally, these notes can be exported to a keyboard shortcut or other tools, making it easy to retrieve and share information quickly. Guest interaction management. The guest chat functionality enables seamless communication with website visitors. From the Guest tab, you can see active conversations and respond promptly. This is particularly useful for addressing specific questions or concerns in real time. Imagine a scenario where a guest inquires about a product's availability. You can respond directly through the chat interface, providing instant value and potentially converting the visitor into a customer. This proactive approach enhances engagement and builds trust with your audience. Leveraging the dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for managing appointments, leads, and tutorials. Let's explore its key components. Appointment bookings. Within the dashboard, you'll find a calendar that displays all appointments scheduled through your bot. Each entry includes details such as the user's name, email, appointment dates, and any additional comments. This centralized view simplifies scheduling and ensures you never miss an important meeting. Leads are a vital part of any business, and your chatbot is designed to capture them effectively. On the dashboard, you can view leads segmented by bot. This allows you to track the performance of each bot and analyze which ones are driving the most engagement. To make the most of this feature, integrate your email service provider. This ensures that all captured leads are automatically added to your CRM or email marketing system, streamlining your follow-up process. Beyond the initial setup, the platform offers tutorials and guides to help you explore advanced features. These resources cover everything from creating conversational flows to optimizing responses for better user engagement. For example, you might want to create a bot that provides personalized recommendations based on user input. Tutorials can guide you through setting up these advanced features, ensuring your bot evolves alongside your business needs. With Avatarcrew, the process of building, customizing, and deploying chatbots is intuitive and efficient. Whether you're creating a simple support bot or a sophisticated tool for driving sales, the platform provides the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing the amazing bots you create.